Hi, today I'm making a honey citrus coleslaw. This is a great summer side. To make it easier, I just actually purchased the bag salad. It's cabbage, carrots. If you want the red cabbage, you can get that as well. The main thing is to make this a very quick side salad. So we'll begin with 1.5 cups of coleslaw. Next, I have about 1/8 of a cup of red onion. But you can use red onion to taste, basically whatever you like. I use 1/4 cup of cilantro. And then I'm using 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm also using the juice from half of a medium-sized lemon. Okay, and so I'm gonna use that in my mix. I use a half a teaspoon of white vinegar. And I'm going to just combine all of my ingredients until they're well mixed. Add salt and pepper to taste. Next, I'm going to chill the salad for at least 10 minutes and then serve. And it's a perfect holiday side for these hot, sultry days we're having here in Southern California.